special guest, Toby's special friend.
Love is true. Hello.
Imagine someone
Here with me and you.
I got up at 7 o'clock this morning, did a little 11-mile round loop round Beverley with Ryan, and now I was going to go pick up my second best mate Ryan, go for a little wild camp. Sorry Ryan, but you are second best in this situation.
Can you imagine at the time? Can you picture yourself now in the time when you go away for years from like...
Just picked up my second best mate Ryan.
So, good afternoon everybody. So can you imagine? 20 points if you hit him.
I thought it was 50. 50?
That's very heavy though, that thing. Too old.
Not as heavy as you.
Going to our secret bunker location.
How secret is it though?
Well, it's pretty top secret. Only a handful of people know about it.
True.
3.
3 at most at the minute.
3.
Could be
3 know the
4.
exact location.
They're guards though. But something.
Sound?
Sorted?
Sorted.
Safe?
I think so. Does this look like it's cutting right into my breasts? Yeah, it does. So we're heading back to our secret cabin that no one knows about. I'm going to show Matthew it. Matthew here with us today. With Toby.
Hi guys!
Autistic Annie.
Your face looks a little weird.
It does, it cuts right through the breast there, look, it's making me look like I've got proper big...
Yeah, you push it away from yourself a little. Yeah, just hold it there. Like I said.
What does that do?
Garden at L anyway.
Oh! Fucking stick in the face, you dick!
Again?
Yeah? So, we usually come out here
Quick, get in!
once a month at least. Try and get away. Try and get out. Try and get back to the roots with a camera. Yeah, there is. That track goes all the way down there.
They come down here, not that way.
Taking that one off. Shooting again today as well.
Big air. I know, it's a
It's a pheasant.
pheasant plucker.
I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son. I'm only plucking pheasant till the pleasant plucker comes.
Sounds like it's come from down there, doesn't it? Hey, look there, there's a saw. No handle. Doesn't have life that saw.
I had a saw once.
Does it though?
No. The bloke said you keep sharpening it and clean it and look after it.
Did you?
No. Turns out saws are just way cheaper to buy now. But it's the quality of things, I think. I think once someone doesn't show you something, you don't really know, do you? You reckon you could learn it off your own accord? Do you think if no one showed you how to walk, you could walk, Matthew?
Well, you sort of learn yourself, don't you? Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
crawling about yourself, don't you? Like your mum don't show you how to crawl. But is it where we're cutting? Is it not the normal area?
No.
Different.
Yeah, we're different.
So.
We've got to go jump over a lake.
Well, we did last time.
Yeah. Well, that's what I told.
We found a nice bit to toss, didn't we?
As we was up there, already all cushy in, Toby went, oh, it was alright. Something about the lake down there. He went, well, we've got a lake down there. I was like, it's a stream at best.
Not a lake.
Oh yeah, fucking hell, get me kayaks out and bring for the lake.
Yeah, when me and Finn come that time, we was up there, but we had the hammocks, didn't we? And we thought, wouldn't it be sick if you could string off like a tree like that? Have a real good view.
Yeah.
But we thought, once you're in it,
How to get out?
like, you know what I mean? Like, if you're like literally this high,
Yeah.
how the fuck are you getting out of that?
Are you getting in it?
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But we started setting it up and that, you know, like thinking, oh, yeah, it'd be a great idea and that. Yeah.
Well, Park Ranger John showed us that there's no footprints down here, so.
I didn't show you that.
Hasn't been trodden for years.
Hasn't been trodden.
I don't recall saying that. I know, I've not got this smell of fire off this yet.
I washed all mine.
I don't know. Did you wash it though, or did your other half wash it?
I actually washed it.
Well, my other half washes mine because I'm a lazy back cunt. I'd be saying in my house. Oh,
Can't believe you
mate.
just said that out.
Mate.
So I have a dog on back.
Yeah. No, that's not what I was. The saying is, if I have to
Say
touch
that, Cody.
if
You
I have
said
to
it before
touch,
camera came on.
if I have to touch the washing machine, I might as well be single.
Watch out, you're with him now. Like you did me last time.
It's like fucking some old toilet wipe out, isn't it? The punching wall.
Was it toe wipe out? What was that?
That fucking Chinese.
Oh, what was it? Takeshi's Castle. Fucking. That was ruthless. That Takeshi maze.
Yeah.
That maze where they just slam into doors that want doors. They'd fucking run hard as fuck, wouldn't they? Made it from home from home. Day 2 of the build. Come back, check it. It's all pretty good. Looks like it's held up.
Well, it was standing your weight, didn't it?
Yeah. So today we're gonna work on the side walls, work on these right hand wall and the fire.
What you up to, eh?
So I'm just digging another post hole here
Mm.
to take the back end weight of this. I'm not gonna dig it too deep because we're gonna end up burying it all anyways.
Cleaned up the edges, a bit more room. Nice fat ass in there.
Captain's log. Got the side wall built. Side wall built there.
That's a fucking jackhammer.
Toby's in there, just digging away.
Toby the jackhammer.
Call me jackhammer Leonard.
So I'm gonna go for a stroll now. Let's try and find some
Did you say captain's log at the start?
massive rocks to build a fireplace. Don't know if to go up or to go down.
I think down where that stream.
I think down where that stream is.
Let's go.
Come with us. Do you want them gloves?
No.
You right down there, Tob?
Yeah.
Fucking loves it, don't he? Can't get enough of it.
You're like Jesus.
We're going down to the stream. Going down to the river to be baptised with Jesus.
To Jesus.
To Jesus. Need two big rocks. Because if Toby's going to watch this back.
Oh, they've left me. Abandoned me. It's got a few more bits to do. Get that wall sealed up. And get some cooking done. Is there anybody out there?
When we was in Nottingham, Toby, I used your toothbrush to clean the toilet seat. And my ass.
No, they've left.
Big ass rocks is what we need.
You mean for fire and that?
Yeah, to build a fireplace. I thought we'd have dug some up.
You get me back on across there.
Go on then.
Right, we're this is Wild Valley Death Jump. Nailed it.
That's it.
My med is, and this is Jackass.
I'm actually thinking it.
It's like marshmallows.
What have we jumped onto, eh? Jump back! There's no rocks here. Follow this, because I'm sure I saw some rocks, mate. Some big fucking rocks. Big, nasty, dirty rock, boy. Big, shy boy. Oh, captain's log. Oh, Toby's finished excavating the cave. It's been an hour since we've all spoke to Toby.
You do know they can't see shit.
What do you mean? They can see just like that though, can't they?
You need the low light mode on.
I'll just do it like this then underneath this light. Toby's gone round it. Matthew's here, this looks like a Japanese flag. Just a big red sickle. Anyways, so we're set up, wall's set up. Got the log cutter, log splitter over there set up.
What a beanie.
Got my beanie.
No, do you want one? Said yours is really itchy.
Oh yeah, will do. Love a beanie. Never say no to a beanie. I can't right now, mate. I'm just in the middle of a video, bro. Like, cooking these burgers up.
I'll tell Paris. Yeah, you need to get a fire going. And we can start over, I guess.
What? That mud's gonna just fall all over me.
Yeah.
All night, and then I'm gonna get mud eye.
Mud eye? It's not going to fall all over you.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't.
Are you wanting to get in, mate?
Stop being a child.
Yeah, if you don't mind, bro.
Oh, that's so much comfier than last time.
Yeah.
Oh, I just slept there last time on the floor.
What, with no like matter?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Because Ryan forgot his strap, so we all decided to sleep in here.
So that? Fucking hell, you in there? Somebody trying to smuggle himself in. Yeah. I'm out. Love is true. Hello.
Imagine someone
Here with me and you. Bring your body, baby.
Imagine someone just walking through and I'm like, it is you.
Girl, I need someone like you to satisfy. Cause I don't see nothing wrong. I don't see nothing with a little bump and grind. With a little bump and grind.
You getting this fire on or what?
Flame on.
What's the crisp roll? Whoa. I'm spreading it out there so
Just everywhere you are, yeah?
Yeah, pretty much. I'm like Jesus. So we're fucking rocking and rolling now. Got fire going. Yeah, got fire going. Toby's got vape. Matthew's there, yeah. Wow, I've got loads of stuff you to brand. Toby's about to cook burgers, bacon. Oh, I am going thin. Burgers, bacon.
You're not thin. Look at that gut.
One way to end your life here.
I thought you got Wolverine scars on you, really.
Reusing my joke.
What do you call a panned fish?
a panfish.
A panfish. I don't know what do you call a panfish.
I don't know.
We really enjoy this fire camping stuff. That's a cool pan.
Nice, isn't it?
Mm.
Stanley.
Mm. It's cold.
Maybe you're just hard as fuck, bro.
Nah, I swear down, mate. Put your finger in that.
Nah, you don't want my finger in yourself.
Swear down, that's cold, bro.
Toby's cooking.
You reckon it'll cook like that? With the metal?
Yeah. Fall through, won't it? Pan's a bit burnt on the outside.
Yeah. Fair enough.
No, so as I was saying anyways, you can see the smoke coming in here. So we're gonna have to build. Get some logs on it.
Okay, that's not. Damn, you fucking did something.
I'll cook you a burger next time and you'll be like, oh,
Buggers.
that's how you cook a burger. Add a bit of love.
I put a bit of love. Use me brand new pan.
Yeah, but you didn't. There's things you're missing though.
I seasoned it and everything.
Where's the onion?
Did you bring the onion? You
No.
went to get the food because you said to me, you got the food last time, Toby. I'll get it this time.
Where's the onion?
What did you do?
You didn't even fry off the bread. Oh, the bread's sweet when you fry it off. And you just took the opportunity and you did nothing with it. You fucked me, Tob. You well and truly fucked me out of a good burger. I brought bacon, you refused to cook it.
Did you not say?
No, but it's nice, thanks. Real nice, thanks. And Red Leicester. Red Leicester on a burger.
That's like cheap cheese, isn't it? On a burger.
Yeah, cheap cheese.
Red Leicester is cheap.
No, the processed shitty thing.
No, that tastes like plastic.
Yeah, no, that's what you want on a burger.
He's had 1.5 from our one. How you saying this shit? Can't be that fucking shit, can they?
I'm a great lad.
What?
I'm a great lad. Shouldn't wear the eat laid down.
I'm confused.
Oh. Yeah, getting smoky now. It's getting late as well. Captain's log. It is.
What time is it?
I'll have a watch. What time is it?
7:48.
It's 7:48. Eastern European time.
Or 700.
Toby.
Uh-huh.
Mary's father.
Who?
Mary's father has 3 kids.
Uh-huh.
Sarah. Lisa. What's the third one called?
Say again.
No.
Mary's what?
Mary's father
Yeah.
has 3 kids. Sarah. Lisa. What's the third child called?
Mary.
Clever you are, yeah?
No.
Why?
I've said it before.
Alright. So, Toby, you're driving a bus. You pick up... You listening?
Yeah.
You know what, I thought there was a monster at the end.
What?
I thought there was a monster coming in.
A monster?
Yeah.
What?
What are you doing now?
Putting more air in.
Oh, suck it in. Why don't you use your blower thing?
Why don't you mind your own business? Good morning, guys. Mine's on with the
Morning, guys.
wood choppy. We get the coffees on. We don't know what Matthew's doing. I think he's dead. Got abducted last night.
No longer Matthew, that's a skinwalker.
I'm so good at wood, cutting wood.
Do you really think so? Because I was getting nervous that I wasn't doing it.
I do. I think you're really good. No, you're not.
I've got this horrible pain in my stomach.
What is it?
One sec, can't be recording that. Horrible pain in my stomach.
Yeah.
Because you didn't want to cuddle me last night and neither did Matthew, so I was laid in the middle, I was like, alone.
I thought you turned around last night and you had your head down near my feet. Because I woke up and I heard like breathing and I thought, that sounds like the bottom of my feet is Ryan turned around.
Thinking about it.
Park Ranger Steve's got it going.
Don't get that in it.
It's a what?
Burning that.
Why?
It's fossil fuel.
Fossil fuels. Dirty boy.
Yeah, we got it going this morning. Bit chilly. What time is it? What time is it now?
I don't know what. 7:42.
Captain's log. 7:42. Day 3. In the cabin. Is it a cabin?
We haven't named it yet. What we're calling it?
I don't know. I'll have to take it to a group.
I think it's Hotel Paris.
Hotel Paris, sir.
Yeah. Or Hotel Log Bottom. Because it's made out of logs.
Hillside
and it's
Hut.
underneath.
Hillside Hut.
Possibility. Can you turn the fire down a little bit?
No, can't do it on me.
I'm getting ashy.
I'm just going to do this pile of wood in and then that's it.
I know it doesn't seem it because we're all wrapped up in a lot of clothes, but it's actually quite warm.
What, because of the fire?
No, I want cold. No.
Oh, yeah, no, I want cold.
Probably because I was wrapped up. Matty's just a sack of skin. Still don't woke up.
Yeah, we're not sure whether Matty is Matty anymore. Or Matty's a skinwalker.
What's 200 millilitres? Not 0.3 litres.
Oh, don't ask me stuff like that on recording. 200 millilitres? Don't know. The right way to start your day. Here at Roaming Unscripted. Oh, for fuck's sake! Here's the right way to start your day. Roaming Unscribed, do it right.
Roaming Unscripted.
Oh, what are you saying, mate?
You're the one who says Roaming Unscribed.
Just move that can of coke and that chili, it looks like shit.
You can't keep redoing retakes, it's Roaming Unscripted.
Rome Unscripted.
It's unscripted.
Rome Unscripted.
Can't keep scripting it.
Right. You see my leg like that? That's action. Action. Roman scripted now to start the day. Cup of coffee and a fire takes the pain away. Join us on more of our adventures as we head deeper into the wilderness, into the unknown, to the abyss, where we will find ourselves hungry, cold, arguing with each other. But in the end, we become better men. Roman scripted. I approve this message. I'm Ryan Glido, and I approve this message. So I know a lot of you are wondering who I am in Toby's crazy world of Roman Unscripted. Well, I'm the guy behind every crazy adventure. I'm the planner.
You already know who you are.
How do they know I am?
Second best mate Ryan.
I'm the second best mate Ryan. I'll take that. I'll take that any day. You might notice the other Ryan, he doesn't have hair. That's right? I have hair, don't I? That's right. And he's also white. I'm a brown gentleman.
I don't know if you filmed it that way, it's going to be wrong.
What, that way?
Yeah, you got to hold it the other way.
What, that way?
Yeah.
I like that?
Yeah, you got to hold it the other way.
And that's recording me?
Yeah.
That way?
So it's not in a 9x16.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, you not used to holding a camera, boo. Some of you might have been following Toby from the very beginning of his crazy adventure when he did Route 66. Some of you might not have been following. Some of you might just follow right now. Some of you might just be new subscribers, new people to the channel. Welcome all. Welcome, everyone's welcome. If you want to watch us, if you want to come join us, you can't come join us, but if you want to watch us, you can. I mean,
apart from people that put stupid comments on videos about spelling,
yeah,
you need to grow up.
Yeah, well, maybe you should take a look at yourselves instead of judging other people who have dyslexia.
Yeah.
About their poor grammar. It's not just that. It's, you know, comment all you want. Come out here and brisk this with us. See if you can get your pronunciation right. What was his name? We'll call him out. Teabag 48.
Teabag 48.
The other thing is about this, it's real tricky holding it upside down. Captain's log. It is currently 2 hours and 28 minutes.
Oh, shit, yeah. I'll stick it in that bag, Toby. Leave it there for you, bro.
So obviously, stay tuned for the next video because Toby's handing out a $1,000 prize.
I'm not.
£1,000 prize for the first person to like, subscribe, and then share this on their page.
I'm not.
He is. £1,000 of his hard-earned cash. Could be real. Could be with you by the next Friday. Alright, yeah?
I might give away some camping gear if someone get up to 1,000 subscribers.
Is that what you're going to do?
Might do.
Did you hear that? 1,000 subscribers and he's going to start selling his underpants. The night after the camp. Ooh, what's that?
Night after.
How much?
Put them on bid. Are you tired of your normal life? Are you tired of getting up and going to work? Stop paying your tax. Rise up, brother.
You get rid of your pay bottle?
How would you point that out?
Why? Everyone does it. So up to it.
Yeah, but difference is, guys, on cam, is I poo, I weed in a bottle, and these two weed right here.
No, mine was like...
Right there?
Yeah, somewhere there, yeah.
Where it's all wet.
Yeah.
I didn't weed that much.
Both of them weed. Who's a strap here?
Sure.
That's the one strap?
Yeah.
Shall we wrap up, Toby, and get some timber in there
No.
for next time, so it's nice and dry?
No.
Well, I am. Do you want to do it with me, guys? You bored?
I'm done. Packed up.
That's it.
Done.
What, you wouldn't stay another night?
Yeah, but not tonight.
I'd stay one more night. I'd probably stay all night, probably stay all fucking week. Not like my life shit at home, I just enjoy being outside, that's all.
The trees come all over me bag. Ah.
How much did you pay for that one?
64 this
This
tree.
bag? He's about 110, 120 quid at the time. I don't know how much it is now.
I got the... It's 45 litre.
It's alright though, but
Toby, get out of the shot, man!
I feel like sometimes it could be a bit bigger, do you know what I mean?
I think it's the frame on the back. It takes up most of the room, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Morning, guys. Welcome to Roman Unscripted. I'm
Okay,
Ryan.
I got it right!
How did you say out? I'm supposed to get into a tutorial.
Back to stage one.
Action.
But you're not doing it, it's not unscripted then?
Hey guys. I'm Ryan, a special guest on Roman Unscripted. Follow my OnlyFans.
A special guest.
I'm a special guest. Toby's special friend we met in nursery. Not when we was little, last week. He stole all the sand and wouldn't let no one have the red crayon. My brother.
Keep going.
You actually keep going while he's in the path.
Shake hand out pocket for this bit. Don't lose teeth. Oh my god, I'm doing the splits.
It's natural if I don't help you. I was thinking it'd be so much better. I just record it. I was like, don't help him. Just let him fall.
Your cuts don't go that way.
Roman, unscrabbed.
I can't even do it. I'll try yoga. I love trees, mate.
It's funny, isn't it? Never give the cameraman credit, do they? 'Cause He does it all.
You know, he can carry on for one day.
We get in front of you, please. This is a lovely, like, little bit of...
But now everybody doesn't know how to get here now.
You what? Wait there, Toby.
Because you're just videoing everything.
Do you think you can get a clean step up that stair?
Why?
You'll see.
How clean?
Real clean, and then be out the caption. There you go. I just got your 7,000 views right there.
7,000.
Let me see your hand. Now the caption. Right, I want to see your hand. Grab that, and then go right past. Get your hand off. Nice.
How much fun did you have?
I fucking love it.
Love
I just love it every time.
Fascinating every time. Talk short, doesn't it, as well? Yeah. Feel like I'm right as rain.
What sort of game was you playing there with your van?
Sort of sequence or something.
Yeah. Special tic-tac-toe.
What was that about?
That was like a love-hate relationship. That was.
It's my door. Lock is going.
Yeah, someone try.